What a great year we had here at Joe's New York Pizza by the Slice. There's two locations. The location we're at today, Las Vegas Boulevard in Warm Springs. And if you're ever on the Strip, right across the street from the Hard Rock Hotel on Paradise and Harmon is the other Joe's New York Pizza by the Slice. All of our friends are absolutely stuffed. Food combos, food babies, everyone's stuffed. We had a blast, guys. 2014 was a great year for us here at Joe's. We won Best Pizza, Best Catering, Best Delivery, Best Italian. And you know what? 2015, we're gonna bring it home for Las Vegas and we're gonna do it all over again. If you haven't been to our Facebook and Twitter, check us out, like and follow us on there. We have Elsa, we have everybody here at Joe's. Hi Elsa. Everyone's having a blast. We're loving it. 2014 was great. Happy holidays to you and your family. And let's all go into 2015. Let's be safe, let's be prosperous, let's have a wonderful year, and we'll see each other soon.